Hi children, hope that all are safe and healthy at home. Today we are going to discuss about the topic of text paint. Yeah children, you already know that what is meant by paint, right? We use paint for freehand drawing and also tool along with the brush shapes. Yeah children, there are some sort of a line tools and also brush shapes to draw beautiful patterns, and also we have to try with our hands at magical effects by using the magic tool. Yeah children, in this text paint we are going to have one set of a magic tool, right children? Here we can also learn how to save our work and also how to open already saved file. Let me move to the topic of shapes tool. Yeah children, it is used to draw various filled and unfilled polygonal shapes. There is some sort of a unique feature of this tool is rotation. We can also rotate the shapes by any sort of an angle, 360 degrees, scale even. Yeah children, we can also draw various shapes by using the tool, and let us draw one set of a square of various angles. Firstly we should select this shape tool, and this is to be in a square shape from the sub toolbox on the right hand side. We can either click or choose a blank square or a filled square. Then we are supposed to bring the mouse pointer to the drawing area. Then we are supposed to select a point on a drawing area. Then we can act as the center of the square. And also if you see here, now we can click and drag the mouse and we can choose the desired size, and also release the left mouse button when we can have been completed the square. We can read the instructions and we can now see this arrow, right? This arrow on the drawing area, which is used to spin the image of any set of an angle from the center point. Now we go on trying the spinning the arrow in any direction and we can spin the square. Yeah children, and once we have done the work, now we are supposed to click on drawing area and we can see the final image. We can draw any types of shapes what we require. We can draw a square, rectangle, triangle, circles. We can draw different types of shapes with different angles, and we can try with our hand with other shapes as well. And also let me move to the topic of how to draw and how to erase. Yes children, for erasing we are having here eraser tool. It is used to erase the unwanted parts of the picture and we can easily erase it. Firstly we should select this tool, erase tool, from the toolbox itself, and we can select the desired shape of the eraser from the sub toolbox here, and we can bring the mouse pointer in the drawing area. Then we can directly click the left mouse button and supposed to drag the eraser to the area where we want to remove simply, as it is shown here. Yeah children, let me move to the topic of new tool. We cannot work in a single file, right? We make on different files for different drawings. Once we are supposed to save the previous work, we can open a new file, right, by using this new tool. Yeah children, here we can click the new tool box. We can get different types of color boxes and we are going to start new drawing. Then we are supposed to click on down arrow button directly, and we are going to select the color and click on the open button, and let us try with our hand and select the green color box. After clicking the open button, we can find the blank screen with the green drawing area. Yeah children, now we can draw anything in the drawing area, and also we can have some set of other colors like light colors like white, yellow, cream, light pink and all. Let us try with our hand and create some sort of a new files with different background colors. Here you can see the magical effects event. Let me move to the topic of drip magic. Yeah children, if you see whatever happens when we are going to sprinkle the drops on a water, the drawing has been made with a sketch pen that is written by using a ink pen. Yeah children, the ink or colors which we scatter and drip away like water, we can see here magic subtool, right? It gives the dripping effect to our drawing. Let us open a new file of text paint. Firstly we are supposed to select a green background. Later on we are supposed to select the text tool, and we are supposed to write any set of the text like hello, I am learning text paint. Here we have written this one by using the magic tool. Here in these tools we are going to have the magic tool. Then we are supposed to select the drip effect and from the sub toolbox. Now we are supposed to drag the magic wand over the text, and we can add the dripping effect to it. Then we can check how the text changes into the drip effects even. Clear, children? Let me move to the topic of edges effect. It is very unique feature in the text paint, and we can also differentiate the edges from an already drawn image. Yeah, children, firstly we should click on the shape tool and select the filled shape from the sub toolbox, and we are supposed to select the magic tool and choose the edges from the sub toolbox. Yeah, children, by using this magic wand we should click on and drag it over the entire picture. We can observe that the edges of the shape starts appearing. Now we can apply the effect to one of the stamps and observe the changes. Yeah, children, I hope that everyone understood the topic of this text paint and also the tools like shape tool, eraser tool, glue tool, drip magic, and also edges effect. Thank you. Have a nice day.